How to Screen Record Restricted Apps in Android 2025 Safe Guide. Ever tried to record your screen but got a black screen instead? That's because certain apps, like some streaming, finance, or security tools, use a setting called Secure Flag to block screenshots and screen recording. In this tutorial, I'll show you safe and responsible methods to screen record within your rights, especially for personal or educational use. Method 1. Try a different screen recorder app. Some Android screen recorders are more compatible than others. Apps like X Recorder, AZ Screen Recorder, or ADV Recorder may work better depending on your device. Try a few, and remember to test with apps you're allowed to record. Method 2. Use developer options. No root. Here's a trick using Android's built-in developer settings. 1. Go to Settings, About Phone. 2. Tap build number 7 times to unlock developer options. 3. Now go to Settings, System, Developer Options. 4. Try toggling options like Disable HW Overlays or Force GPU Rendering. This may help bypass some visual glitches during recording. Method 3. Use a virtual space app, no root. Apps like Island or Shelter let you clone other apps in a secure sandbox. Sometimes, these clones don't activate the screen recording block. Steps: 1. Install Island from the Play Store. 2. Clone the app you want to record. Try recording the cloned version using your screen recorder. Method 4. Use an external recorder, 100% safe. The most reliable and safe method is using another device or your PC. Use apps like Seer CPI on a computer to mirror and record, or record with another phone camera if clarity isn't a major issue. These don't violate any app security and work every time. Important disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational and personal use only. Do not use these methods to record copyrighted or protected content like movies, banking apps, or private chats. Doing so may violate app terms of service or laws in your country. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe, and let me know which method worked best for you. Stay tech smart and always use your knowledge responsibly.